Busy mornings, long commutes, and barely any time to eat? If you're a mom or working woman trying to lose weight but feel there's never enough time, this video is for you. I'll show you 10-minute healthy meals that are fast, easy, and perfect for your busy schedule. The excuse, "I don't have time," is just that, an excuse. It's about making time. Today, I'll prove that 10 minutes is all you need to create delicious, nourishing meals. These recipes are quick, simple, and require minimal cleanup. Forget takeaways and processed junk. Let's transform your routine with 10 incredible recipes. Grab your apron and let's get cooking. Mornings are hectic, but breakfast doesn't have to be. High-protein veggie egg muffins are your grab-and-go solution. Prep a batch on Sunday, and you've got breakfast for the week. Whisk eggs, add chopped veggies, bell peppers, spinach, onions, mushrooms, and a sprinkle of feta. Pour into a greased muffin tin, bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Store in the fridge, and just grab 2 or 3 each morning. Eat cold or microwave for 30 seconds. These muffins are packed with protein to keep you full and energized. No more sugary cereals or mid-morning crashes. Just real, satisfying fuel. Minimal mess, maximum nutrition. Breakfast sorted in seconds. Brilliant, right? Lunch can make or break your day. Don't let it derail your goals. This quick salmon and avocado salad is ready in under 10 minutes. No cooking required. Use smoked or canned salmon for convenience. Layer fresh greens, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. Add flaked salmon and cubed avocado for healthy fats and protein. Dress with lemon juice, olive oil, and black pepper. No processed dressings, just clean, vibrant flavors. It's light, filling, and keeps you energized all afternoon. Prep veggies ahead, assemble when ready to eat. No bloat, no sluggishness, just pure nutrition. Perfect for busy work days. Fast food, the healthy way. Enjoy. Dinner cravings? Skip the takeaway. Zucchini noodle. Stir-fry with chicken is your 10-minute fix. Use pre-spiralized zucchini or spiralize your own. Thinly sliced chicken breast for quick cooking. Stir-fry chicken in sesame oil with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Add zucchini noodles and quick-cooking veggies, peppers, bean sprouts. Don't overcook. Keep zoodles tender crisp. Finish with a simple soy sauce, rice vinegar, touch of honey. Toss, plate, and enjoy a huge bowl of low-carb, high-protein goodness. Satisfies noodle cravings without the carbs. One pan, minimal cleanup. Dinner in minutes. Healthy, fast, and delicious. Done. Hate cleanup? Try this one-pot quinoa and veggie bowl. Everything cooks together. Quinoa, broth, and chopped veggies like carrots, peppers, and broccoli. Quinoa is a complete protein and complex carb, keeping you full and energized. Add chickpeas or black beans for extra protein. Simmer until quinoa is fluffy and veggies are tender. Stir in a simple lemon olive oil vinaigrette or tahini dressing. Toss in fresh herbs for flavor. One pot, endless variations. Make a big batch for easy lunches or dinners. Balanced, filling, and fiber-rich. Meal prep royalty. Minimal effort, maximum reward. Enjoy your healthy bowl. Need a meal in 5 minutes? Chickpea and spinach wrap to the rescue. Mash canned chickpeas with Greek yogurt or tahini, lemon juice, and spices. Add fresh spinach and chopped veggies for crunch. Spoon onto a whole wheat wrap, roll up, and you're done. High in fiber and protein, keeps you full for hours. No cooking, no fuss. Perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Satisfying, portable, and healthy. Great for those ultra-busy days. 5 minutes, real food. Fast, flavorful, and filling. Healthy eating made simple. Enjoy on the go. Craving something sweet? Try a Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Layer plain Greek yogurt with fresh or frozen berries. Add a sprinkle of nuts or seeds for crunch. High in protein, low in sugar. Antioxidants from berries, healthy fats from nuts. Prep ahead in jars for grab-and-go breakfasts or snacks. Satisfies your sweet tooth without the guilt. Visually stunning and delicious. Smart, healthy snacking. Dessert, redefined. Don't waste leftovers. Turn them into veggie-packed stir-fried brown rice. Use cold, day-old brown rice for best texture. Stir-fry chopped leftover veggies in a hot pan. Add rice, scramble in an egg for protein. Season with soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and ginger. Toss in fresh greens at the end to wilt. Fast, filling, and fiber-rich. Clears out your fridge and saves money. Dinner in under 10 minutes. Healthy, resourceful, and delicious. Waste not, want not. Need a meal in 2 minutes? Make a fat-burning green smoothie. Blend spinach, cooled green tea, frozen banana, protein powder, and almond butter. Add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and blood sugar control. High in protein, low in calories, packed with nutrients and healthy fats. Perfect for breakfast or post-workout. Drink on the go, no excuses. Quick, energizing, and satisfying. Supports your weight loss goals. Nutrition in a glass. Craving a sandwich? Try turkey and veggie lettuce wraps. Use crisp lettuce leaves instead of bread for a low-carb base. Fill with sliced turkey, julienned veggies, and a quick Greek yogurt mustard dressing. Roll up and enjoy a crunchy, refreshing meal. High in protein, low in carbs. Prep filling and lettuce separately for max crunch. Perfect for lunchboxes or quick dinners. Light, satisfying, and portable. Big flavor, fewer calories. Healthy eating, made easy. Snack smarter with quick no-bake energy bites. Mix oats, nut butter, honey, flaxseed, and chia seeds. Add coconut or dark chocolate chips for flavor. Roll into balls, chill, and store in the fridge. Ready in 5 minutes, no baking needed. Satisfies sweet cravings and boosts energy. High in fiber and healthy fats. Perfect for afternoon slumps. Smart snacking, always on hand. There you have it. 10 fast, healthy meals for busy women. No more excuses, just simple recipes for real life. You're in control of your health and your time. Cooking for yourself is self-care. Keep it simple, keep it fresh. Make these recipes your own and feel the difference. Subscribe to SlimSync for more quick, weight loss-friendly ideas. Now get cooking. You've got this.